Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy data from view-only document in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I have opened my document in my Google Sheets, and as you can see guys that this is a view-only document, so I cannot edit this document. And even though we cannot edit this document, we can still copy data from this document, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. You can just select the data you want to copy like this, and then you're going to right click on it and then click on copy, or you can simply use the Control and C. And then I'm going to open up my another document, and I'm going to paste it right here. You can right click on it and click on paste. Okay, as you can see guys that the data from the view only Google Sheets have been copied to those sheets. That's so easy, right? You just need to select it and then copy the data. Or you can also make a copy of this document. You can go to the this option, make a copy, and then you'll be able to copy. You will be able to get the copy of this document. Okay. And after you have copied the document, you will be able to edit the document. I'm going to try it. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to copy data from view only Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.